how to fix Yahoo login error, invalid credentials. So if you're getting a login error on Yahoo that says invalid credentials, first of all, go to mail.yahoo.com and make sure the email, username or the mobile number that you enter is actually correct. If you forgot your username, you can click on forgot username to reset it. But if your username is correct and you click on the next option, you're asked to enter your password, where your password is also incorrect and it says invalid credentials. It just means your password is incorrect. So in order to reset your password, you can just click on the forgot password button that you can see over here and simply enter the phone number that is associated with your account. And once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then make sure to enter your account over here. Enter the 2 digits that complete this phone number, which is the final 2 digits, and click on the next option to receive a code on your phone number. And once you confirm the code, you'll be able to enter a new password without having to remember your old password. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.